welcome back to the channel. So I hope you're ready for another fabulous craft one today. Ooh, I know I am because I'm currently wearing the craft that we make in this video, and it's super cute and it's pretty easy. You don't really have to have that many skills, and you don't even have to have a sewing machine. You just need a fabric and a pair of scissors. Currently I'm wearing mine for like a little sash thing, so I don't think you can see me. Well, yeah, you can't really see it. Hang on. There you go. See, I'm wearing mine for like a little slash. Okay, I had to get on my chair and I just showed you all kinds of my butt. But let's see. There we go. That's a little bit better. Okay, so there, that is what we are making. You can wear that as like how I'm doing, as like a little slash, or you can either wear it for a scarf, which I think I show you in the clips that I actually do wear. I'm pretty much gonna wear it for a scarf, but I figured today it would look really cute with my outfit, kind of boho hippie yoga vibe. So that's what I'm going with. And my camera's, I think my camera shifted a little bit there, but we'll go with it. But anyways, before we go into that, if you are new to the channel, hello dears, consider hitting that subscribe button for me so you can be here for all of our random content. And if you're my current subscribers, hello loves, I hope you're having a fabulous week. So we're going to be taking much more of it over here. We're going to be taking just this fabric, and it's a really cute, it's got skulls on it, skulls and crossbones. See, it's really cute. I bought more because I'm gonna be making like a pullover with it later on, and I'll show you how to do that too. So you know, that'll be another craft video. But anyways, we'll go ahead and cut into this one. Like I said, it's super quick and it's super easy. The only thing that did cost me was that fabric was $11.99 a yard. So that was the expensive part. But other than that, it was fairly cheap. But anyways, I will cut into that and meet y'all back at the end.
Alright everyone, so for this craft video, you're going to be joining me on my floor because that is the only space I have big enough to actually lay out all this fabric and cut it out. So as you can tell from the clip, you're going to be needing a good bit of fabric. As you can tell, I picked up some of this cute, it's like a mesh material. It's kind of fishnet mesh, but it has skulls on it and it's kind of crocheted looking. I don't know how to really explain it, but as you can tell in the clip, it looks really cute. I just had to pick it up, and I thought I could do so much with this that I just had to. Plus there was some stuff that Killstar has that I want that I can't afford to buy, so I figured I could kind of take inspiration from them and make something similar. Now you'll also need a measuring tape. I have like the little flimsy crafter one, and then you're going to need a pair of scissors, and you can choose to sew your edges. So if that's the case, then you're going to need a sewing machine or needle and thread, but you don't have to. Alright, now once you have your fabric laid out in the way that you want it, go ahead and grab your measuring tape. And how we're going to do this is it's going to be 33 inches long. So at its point in the triangle, it's going to be 33 inches long as I show you. So I'm just trying to measure this out a little bit. So, and thankfully the way my fabric is, it ended up being perfectly for how long I needed it. So it was great. So I'm just measuring 33 inches down, and then since I have it folded, I need to do another 33 inches because the entire top part, like the top part of the triangle is going to be the longest part, is also, it's going to equal 66 inches, but you only measure 33 because you cut that in half, since we're essentially making the whole thing just cutting once. So that's all I'm doing, is just measuring that out and making sure I get my angle correct. And to do this, if you have a ruler like I do, you can use that for your guide. So once you find your points on your fabric, just use that to kind of move it down to where, you know, and mark out where your 33 inches on the side is, and just move that down. For me, all I did was just take it from the base and then move it to the corner of my fabric. So, and that made it pretty easy to cut and figure out my sizing. Alright, so once you get it the way you need to, as for your triangle, so that it's 33 inches and 33 inches, you're just going to go ahead and cut along your ruler line, or if you went ahead and like drew out a line, just cut along that to get the size that you need. And whenever, see, and just make sure you take your time cutting this out, because I know when I cut out my fabric, some of the like the bottom fabric didn't want to cut at the same time, so it kind of got me off a little bit. So you just have to make sure that whenever you cut out your fabric that you're cutting both of them in the same sequence, that way again, so it doesn't mess you up. Okay, now once you get done cutting your fabric, you're just going to fold it out, and you can see we have our nice design. And Freya walked into the room to see what I was doing, but as you can tell, we have our nice design. It looks like a really big triangle, so each side going to the point is 33 inches, and then your top, your complete top, measures 66 inches. Now for me, what I'm showing you is that I'm going to fold my mesh over 2 times, because I want to go ahead and sew that seam. Originally I was going to sew it all the way around, but I just opted just to sew the top seam and not the bottom seam, because I like the way that looked. So you can choose to do this. If not, thankfully this material does not fray or anything, so you don't even have to do that. If you like the more kind of, you know, punk rock rugged look, then you can go with that. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and just sew my top part, and we're basically done after we get done with that part. Okay, so yeah, here we are at the end after I've already sewed mine, and let you get a good close-up of the fabric and show you that I didn't sew that end, like I didn't sew my pointed end, but I did sew my top seam, which let me tell you was a pain in the butt. My sewing machine did not like this fabric whatsoever. It kept getting caught and pull. But thankfully I opted just to do the top part. And I'm also showing you a few different ways that you might be able to wear this. Now I did end up wearing it for like a little slash or a little sash this past weekend, as I showed you in my intro clip. You can wear it just as a regular scarf. You can wear it as a little cover-up shawl, as I'm showing you. It's just, thankfully, the way we did this and the size that we did it is very versatile, and you'll get a lot of use out of it.
Okay, I had to fix my camera angle so we're not looking like that. But, oh, my eyeliner is just not working with me. And I'm sorry the lighting's weird. The windows are beside me and we're having like an overcast kind of day. So the camera can't work with the light out here. So, but anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this craft. I know I did. It was super easy, and I have a feeling I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. And I kind of copied it a little bit from what Killstar is doing on their website, because I know they have a spiderweb one and a spiderweb pullover. They're a little expensive, so, and yeah, this was $11.99 a yard, but for the price that I paid for the fabric and can get both the items that I want, you know, it would not, I think it would have maybe got to like half of one of the other ones. So I weighed my options. I went with the fabric, plus I like having this stuff kind of uniquely handmade as I put on all of my items. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments if y'all found this easy, if y'all like this, if you just thought it was, well, don't say it was stupid, but just, you know, if I could have refined it a little bit better, if you want to give me some little pointers on that. And if you've made one of these, something similar to that, let me know and tag me in them, because I'd love to see y'all's work. It helps us become a beautiful little community. And I have got to go because Eddie just graduated and we're going to celebrate. Woohoo! Yes, he graduated. I'm excited. So we're gonna go celebrate for his graduation. Well, he graduated Thursday and it's currently Saturday. So. And yes, I know, I'm posting this on a Wednesday, so the timeline, there's no timeline here. Just get in the TARDIS and go. That's what we're gonna do. But we're gonna go celebrate for his graduation. Hopefully it'll be really fun. But I will see you on the next videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!